In this video, we are going to look at how to measure for a lavatory vanity top. Grifform Innovation manufactures vanity tops to work with different custom sizes. The measurements which should be specified through our website's custom vanity builder will be the outermost countertop edges. It is important to understand that Grifform Innovation's vanity tops front edges are built with a width of 1 inch. This measurement should be considered when specifying your measurements. It is also important to understand that the vanity top's backsplashes will be abutting directly against the walls. When measuring your vanity top's resting location, consider where your backsplashes will be located and how much overhang you will need for your front edges. Once these measurements have been taken, input these into the custom vanity top shape input area. Whatever your custom solid surface product needs, Grifform Innovations is here to assist you.